Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got a Roccabox, and I got two of them. I am not subscribed to Roccabox anymore. I do receive these boxes as PR, but I don't know why I've got two of them. One came in my Diaryofabeautygeek name and the other came in my own personal name. There's no point me keeping two of them, so I'm going to be putting one of them up for a giveaway. So if you're interested in winning this April box for yourself, then carry on watching till the end and then I'll give you the details on how to enter. So if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a monthly beauty subscription box that is based in the UK and only ships within the UK. The cost of the box is £13.95 and that includes shipping. Inside you get between 5 to 6 products each month, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, and we've also had beauty tools as well. As well as a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, they do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. Plus they do mystery boxes, so you're able to purchase a one-off box, no subscribing, but you're able to purchase a one-off box for £10 and then £3.95 shipping on top, and it's usually a mix of products that have been in previous boxes. All links and everything related to this subscription, plus the mystery box, plus any other limited edition boxes that they've got on their website at the moment, you'll find them down below in my description. So underneath this video, see show more or a downward arrow, if you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's go on to open this up and show you what's inside. As always, we get a little card and it details everything about the products inside the box. It also gives you costs as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. Plus it gives you a little message about this month's theme. And these are the products. You're not going to be able to see them all, but I'll go through them one by one showing you. April's Roccabox is a vegan beauty edit. It says, I'm so excited to show you this month's box because not only are the products inside absolute must-haves, but every single product is also completely vegan, clean and cruelty-free. And then it goes on to talking about vegan lifestyle and cruelty-free products. And then it says, as you can imagine though, not all vegan products are created equally, which is why this month we've put together a selection of our current favourites to help you on your journey to discovering the beauty of vegan beauty. Yeah, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. First item in the box is an eyeliner by Kat Von D, and this is a little mini one. I've received this eyeliner a couple of times and I've tried it in different boxes, and yeah, it's a really nice eyeliner. I love the fact that it's brush. Brushes just tend to have more control over the shape. Yeah, I do really like that. So it's a little mini one there. And the recommended retail price for this size is £10. It's an award-winning tattoo liner formula with a innovative brush tip, comprising no less than 325 flexible bristles that come together in a tight, crisp point. Delivers waterproof long-wear liner in a high pigment shade of black, meaning opaque, ultra-precise flicks can be all yours all day, just as its name suggests. So you've got an eyeliner. Next we've got a product for your hair, and this is by Grow Gorgeous, and this is Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub, and we've got 30 mils there. Now I do have a few products from Grow Gorgeous. Our bathroom is downstairs, so we've got a bit of an upside down house, but our bathroom is downstairs, so I don't want to bombard my bathroom with different hair care products, so I'm going to put that in my drawer until it is needed. I've only just started getting into exfoliating hair scrubs. Previously I was really nervous about it because I've got very fine hair that breaks super easily, and I was really worried that having a thick paste, you know, would break my hair. Oh, it doesn't. I've used them a few times, different brands. It just makes my scalp feel alive. They usually have like a minty menthol sort of scent, so it's very uplifting. It does make you feel nice and fresh, and it stimulates your scalp to increase blood flow to the follicles in your hair to strengthen your hair and make your hair grow stronger and healthier. In all honesty, I don't know if I've tried this one. I'll have to have a look in my stash. So this is a travel size, and the recommended retail price for this is £6. It says, look at it as a primer for your hair. It will exfoliate and refresh your scalp, remove product buildup, dead skin cells and excess sebum, leaving your hair and scalp cleaner and glossier and allowing your shampoo, conditioner and hair care products to get to work properly. So you've got a pre-shampoo scrub for your scalp. Next we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is a collagen boost moisturiser, and we've got 10 mils there. It says our award-winning peptide-rich complex formula addresses the skin's natural bounce and brightens and brings skin back to bright through firming and boosting collagen activity. I've tried, oh, it does feel really nice. Oh, I just tried a tiny bit there. I've tried quite a few products from Balance Me over the last 4 or 5 years or so, and yeah, some I like, some I don't like. I do love their vitamin C cream. Collagen Boost Moisturiser, I just don't know. I don't know. So this is a travel size, and the recommended retail price for this is £10. It says plump out dehydrated skin with this peptide-rich hyaluronic acid enriched cream. It restores thirsty complexion, noticeably firming it up and smoothing away those irritating fine dehydration lines. So you got a moisturiser. Next we got a shower gel, and when I first saw this in the box I thought, ooh, we got a drink, because we do have snacks in the box, which you will see in the next items that I'm going to pull out. But no, it's not a drink, it's a shower gel. This is by Beauty Papier, and this is Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel, pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange and aloe vera. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to sniff it. 300 mils here. Isn't that bottle gorgeous? It does remind me of like an apple juice. Oh, that smells so nice. It does smell so nice. Apricot, orange. Yeah, I can't smell pumpkin. I don't think pumpkin has a strong scent. I might be wrong, I don't know. Oh, it does smell so nice. Oh, I can't wait to put that down in the bathroom. Yeah, I love that. Love, love, love that. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £25. For a supercharged wake-up, add this to your morning shower. Chock full of skin-loving superfoods, this antioxidant-rich gel will boost your skin's health as it cleanses, whilst its invigorating scent will perk you up and leave you feeling energised and ready to face the day. Oh, and the bottle, full size, looks super snazzy in your shower tray as well. It's got a shower gel, and the last two are sweet treats. They're chocolate pots, and there's 2 of them. 2 little chocolate pots, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, plant-based, the Coconut Collaborative. These are 100 calories each. Oh wow, wow. Look. I'm going to save these. Normally anything edible and I try them in my videos, but I am actually going to save these. So I won't be able to tell you what it tastes like, but I am sure it tastes absolutely gorgeous. I love anything like this. There's nothing here. There is nothing here about them. These are added freebies then. No information about them, just added freebies. Cheers, Roccabox. I am really excited to give those a go. And then the last item in the box is a eye mask, and this is by Vitamasks. Brightening and firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. I've received this one quite a few times in different subscription boxes, and it's okay, but it's nothing amazing. Vitamasks do lovely masks, but it's okay. I wouldn't say it's amazing for me personally, but we are all different. But yeah, we are all different. I really love Patchology and Pixie. They do my favourite sort of gel pads, especially when they're freezing cold. Oh, I do like them. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £5.99. Those golden patches are infused with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid to reduce the look of fine lines, plump moisture and brighten dark circles. A lovely restorative treat at the end of a tiring work day. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Vegan Edit beauty box by Roccabox. The cost of the box is £13.95 and the value comes in, besides these, because these are 2 little added freebies, the value comes in at £57. So besides the chocolate pots, the freebies there, we've got an eye mask, we've got some shower gel, we've got a pre-shampoo hair scrub, we've got a tattoo eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and we've got a collagen moisturiser there. I am really excited for the shower gel. It's quite pricey. I don't think I've ever spent £25 on a shower gel before, but I'm gonna enjoy trying it for sure. This I'll probably pass on. I've tried it so many times and it's not my favourite. Grow Gorgeous, that'll go into my hair drawer behind me over there. That contains all my hair products, so I'll use that at some point. What else is there? Tattoo liner. I do really like the liner there, so handy. And the moisturiser as well. I'm not sure if I've already got it in my stash of beauty things that I need to try, so I'm gonna have to have a look and see. but it sounds lovely. The little bit I put on my hand was really lovely as well, and anything containing collagen, yeah, I need it. I need it. So I'll have to see, but if I've already got one or two, then I'll be passing it on as well as this. But yeah, overall, I think it's a lovely box this month. £13.95, I do think it's worth it. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you already subscribed and have you had your box yet? Or are you wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. So if you wanted to enter a giveaway to win my other box, then make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below that you wish to be entered into the giveaway. All details will be listed down in my description. And also, if you are under the age of 18, please make sure that you have your parents or carers' consent before you enter, and I'll be picking a winner when I receive my May Roccabox. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.